called cloth, wood, linen, your cloth also. That one is class A fire. So you can use water fire extinguisher. This one is, you can use also this one for, because this dry powder is ABC type of fire extinguisher. You can use this one for class A fire. You can use this one for class B fire. You can use this one for class C fire. Okay. We go in class B fire. Class B fire involving flammable liquid. But flammable liquid, for example, for flammable liquid,
Gasoline,
gasoline,
kerosene,
diesel, okay, paint, thinner, okay. That one is class B fire. What is commonly used for to extinguish the fire? DCP, dry powder. This one is special for class B fire. Because the blanket this one is powder. They blanketed this oil. They cover this oil. You cannot use class B fire for this one, water. Because when the class B fire, oil fire, into sa item to you same before in kitchen. If you cannot use this one in for chemical for this oil or gasoline, the fire will become big, spreading because for that. But this one, you can use the DCP, dry powder. The blanket, this one, they cover this one because this one is chemical, dry powder. They cover this oil. So, your limitation or remove this air also. Okay. Okay, we go in classifier. Classifier is electrical. All electrical department. All, substation. All substation. I install this black color. Carbon dioxide. This one inside carbon dioxide, this very cold. Same dry ice. This inside this one carbon dioxide. This one very good to use in electrical. If there is electrical fire, extinguish this one. There is no residue. There is no any remaining debris from component or television. But this one, I tell to you, this is also ABC. You can use also this one for classifier. But if your television, if your panel got fire, you extinguish this one. Tomorrow, all this panel removed. Why? Because this all electrical wiring, this this chemical will suck all the wiring into say dirty. All your panel become dirty. But if you can use this one, this the carbon dioxide, there is no remaining residue. There is no remaining residue. There is nothing. Only he control or he cooling this wiring. After controlling, there is no controlling this fire. Nothing remaining residue. This clean. That's why also very good to use in television, computer. This one, carbon dioxide. Okay. In our side, in class D fire, this metal fire. We don't have here metal fire. This only metal fire in metal factory. The cooking metal and they make string or anything metal materials. only for factory. Okay, they have class A, class B, and class C fire in our side. So this different this one they have also used for fire extinguisher. For this class A, they have also fire extinguisher. Okay, I tell you before, in electrical fire or class A fire, what fire extinguisher you can use? Carbon dioxide. Electrical, carbon dioxide. Okay. You can use also this one, but tomorrow Baladia is made. This one,
For wood, for
you can use this one.
clothes, plastic.
Okay. I tell to you, this is the secret of firefighter. This water fire extinguisher, you can use also this one to control electrical fire. You agree?
No.
You agree? You agree? Okay. You agree with me. You shut down the power of electrical supply. You shut down. No more electrical supply, no current now. But it's still running fire. After you use this one. After you use this one. This only technique for firefighting already. But commonly, no. No, because once there is a fire, what you doing to do? You panic. You panic. You did not know what to do. So that one is not recommended in anybody. Only use only firefighter because he knows this ability or he knows this one. Because once you use this one in electrical, live electrical wiring, running electrical wiring, if you use this one, what to do? Same, you know, same, December part tracker, this one. Cannot control and become big. Okay?